Hey guys, this is the scooter we'll be talking about today, but I did just want to mention that the price for this scooter is changing all the time, so be sure and check out the link down below in the description and see what kind of price you can get for it. Alright, let's jump in. In today's video, we're taking a look at this OnePlus electric scooter. Now, before I share with you what it feels like to ride this scooter, I want to point out a few features on this scooter. Now, the first thing I noticed are these very large 10-inch wheels on both the front and the back of the scooter. Now, the handlebars on this scooter have a really good amount of grip to them. On the left side, you have a handbrake as well as a bell that you can easily ring. And when you're activating the handbrake, the brake light will blink. On the right side, we have our accelerator, which you simply just push down on. This scooter even has a headlight, and you can double tap the power button to turn it on. One feature I really like about this scooter is just how nice and wide the base is for your foot to stand on the scooter. And folding up the scooter is so easy. You simply just open this latch and go ahead and clip it down on the back. Now you can go ahead and lift up on the scooter, and in comparison to most electric scooters, this one isn't that heavy. Now let's talk about riding this scooter. I weigh about 150 pounds or around 68 kilograms. And this scooter supports me with ease. Riding this scooter is such a smooth experience, and they include 3 different max speed settings to make your ride comfortable. But the thing that surprised me most about this scooter is just how little battery it actually uses on my rides. The battery has so much capacity, and let me tell you, when you're moving 19 miles an hour on this scooter, it feels so fast. Overall, guys, I cannot say enough about this scooter, and I sincerely feel this is one of the best purchases I've made in a long time, and for that reason, I highly recommend it. Now, make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.